this little today. Remember Mike's Maserati?
Like 100.
It's hundreds. Like... Hundreds. Yeah. What do you think? Should we try to see if it cranks over again?
I think so.
Yeah. All right. We gave it a break. Hopefully the gas didn't evaporate. Let's see if it's feeling any better now. I am a little concerned. Probably the starter needs to be replaced or shimmed. Let's see. These keys, man. These are like original keys too. That's crazy. At least they look... No, they're not original. But they look old. Still the original ignition. Oh, that sounded better.
Sounded way better.
Oh, come on. No. That starter's not shimmed right. I'm telling you, that it's not shimmed right. All right, let's try it again. Come on. Dang it, man. She runs, guys. She runs. It's just keeping it running. Come on. Okay. Enough playing around. Obviously, she's not wanting to stay running.